What's up guys, Anthropic just released the official Claude browser extension. And it is insane because it basically can see and do things for you. So today I'm gonna quickly show you how to set it up because it's very easy, and on top of that show you what's capable of doing. So first you need to go into the Chrome web store where you can download the extensions and of course download the Claude extension official from Anthropic. So you just go over here and click install, add, and there we go. We should already have it in our browser. So now if we click on extensions and activate it, as you can see we have a brand new panel over here where we can go ahead and prompt it whatever we want and it will do it for us. So for example, we want a weekly summary of everything that we have done in terms of revenue. It will open up our sources of revenue and scan the dashboards, and then on top of that create a document and put everything out there. So instead of manually doing it, now Claude can do it for us. Now not only that, because you can also edit, for example, slides or presentations that you have. So imagine that you added some comments in your slides. Well, now you can just say, okay, go through the comments and implement the changes into these slides, and it will also do it for you. This is literally insane. I mean, guys, this is literally the feature. Before there was things like this, but you had to, use MCPs and similar things. Now it's literally integrated and official from Anthropic themselves into your browser, which is the best part. And yeah, I mean, it's using, of course, the new models like Opus. And not only that, but you can also link it with your Claude code and work together in a duo to basically make the most powerful tech stack available, right? Because it can see your browser and all that stuff, and you can apply changes directly. You don't need to be putting screenshots and putting that over and all that stuff like we had to do before. So if you want to go ahead and download it, I added a link down in the bottom of the description where you can go ahead and check it out. And on top of that, make sure to check out my free school community where you can use AI tools to build your own apps in literally minutes. Now yes, with all that said, bye bye.